So this is the easiest way to connect your JBL speaker to a monitor. The first thing we're going to do is to connect our laptop to the monitor, which I'm guessing you probably already have done. So once you have connected it to a monitor, then what you're going to do is to connect your specific speakers, your specific JBL speaker here to your computer, because it's gonna recognize it on the monitor automatically, of course. So now what I'm going to do on my PC or laptop here, go into settings, click on settings here and then Bluetooth and devices. Then click on add device and then click on Bluetooth. Now we're just gonna pair our JBL speakers. So I'm just gonna click on the power button here, click and hold until it turns on. And then just one time click on the Bluetooth here, Bluetooth button until it's put it into pairing mode. Now I'm just gonna make sure that it focuses here, of course. And you can see here it is the JBL flip right here. So I'm just gonna connect to it now. Can take a little time sometimes, just so you know. But you can see your device is ready to go. So now whatever you're playing on your laptop, you will also be able to play on your monitor, of course, because it's connected now to it here. And basically that is exactly how to do this.